Part 6. Getting Around Boats and Sleds. A large number of Turtlemen artifacts have been found in environments that would have been aquatic, be it estuary or marine. This makes sense as the vast majority of human populations have always lived near larger bodies of water for a variety of reasons. Water environments generally have increased biodiversity and resources, and the waterways lend themselves to easier functional transport of cargo. The presence of the Turtlemen is found along rivers and large lakes inland and in estuaries along the shore by the coast. Estuaries provide diverse resources for both nutrition, raw materials, as they are dynamic for ever-changing environment. Between sites on the Hudson River watershed, the Atlantic coast, and the inland Chaplin Sea and its related watercourses, there is no shortage of times or places for the Turtlemen to develop and exercise the advanced set of maritime technologies for their environment. It was brimming with navigable water and resources. There is also much evidence of the Turtlemen traveling along the North Atlantic ice pack, both into more open Arctic areas as well as northern and western Europe. The cross-pollination of the Turtlemen and the Sleds culture of Europe has made it difficult to separate them at times. As marine archaeology continues to develop and increase, increasing numbers of Turtlemen artifacts are dredged up from the seafloor along the continental shelf of eastern North America. We must remember that during the Pleistocene, the continental shelf was coastal land as sea level was much lower. The evidence for seagoing vessels is the most pronounced along the North Atlantic, where the Turtlemen have gone along the coasts and the ice packs, hunting and trading back and forth. Between Manhattanwac and the regions of the Doggerland in Europe, boats would be one-piece carved vessels, much like a canoe, or wooden frame vessels covered with bark or properly waterproofed skins. These vessels would be lighter, collapsible, and easier to transport. The flexibility they would offer would make them more useful in strong currents and rough waters. We can safely assume some of the more wooden paddles would have been used at times to steer and propel these boats, while technologically foresails were present. We have no direct evidence of their existence or usage. For moving cargo across snow and ice, sleds would be used. A sled could run from a frame covered in bark or skins to a complex structure with runner skins on the bottom that were made from megafauna bones or tusks. The bark or skins would be stretched over a wooden or bone frame in the desired shape capacity that was needed. A sled would be pulled by sinew or leather, recorded by the user. Animals do not appear to have been used as beasts of burden.
Last year